Hi everyone! Today we are going to be talking about one of the most important tasks for a UX designer, the research. Unfortunately, a lot of organizations still don't do it as much or as effectively as they should in order to take advantage of its benefits. There are a lot of research methods and they can be quite effective depending on what and when they are applied throughout the project. We're not going to be talking about all of them. Instead, we will mention all the 4 categories to which all of them belong to. So let's find out. As the name suggests, these test methods are related to a high sample rate of users. It is particularly beneficial in the beginning stages of a project, as you can determine from very early on whether some features are useful or even needed, what approach to take, or even if that project is a good idea in the first place. Qualitative refers to the quality of the answers you get, how much you can find out from an interaction. So, if the quantitative method determines how many times a button was clicked, a qualitative method should try to understand why the user did it. Understanding these factors is very important so you can replicate them within the particular design or project. More often than not, there is a disparity between what we say we do and what we actually do. It doesn't mean that we are lying, it's just human nature. So these last 2 testing categories are supposed to determine exactly that. Although in an interview we may determine how a user would expect to see the information architecture, in reality we have to test if those answers are reflected into their behavior. If the user actually accesses the information we want them to see, whether they perform an expected call to action without realizing, etc. I also want to mention that most research tests don't belong to one category only. Some research methods may be simultaneously quantitative and qualitative, for example. I wasn't sponsored to say that, but if you are interested in UX research methods, I would like to recommend you an incredible website called the Nielsen-Norman Group. The link is in the description, which has this kind of content and way more. So I hope this information was useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.